So welcome friend in this new lecture on interest rate modeling with LSTM neural network. So earlier we discussed uh, uh, a neural network called recurrent neural network, and we modeled the interest rate network. Now we will employ another very powerful tool that are oftenly used to model the time series data, that is called the LSTM or long short term memory. It is a kind of neural network. So far we have discussed the interest rate. In our previous lectures we discussed why interest rate is important, and we also talked about how we can determine the fair value of various financial assets like debt instrument, like other assets like derivatives. So these instrument, for example the derivatives. So derivatives are either the either the exchange traded derivatives called the forward contract, future contracts, or the over the counter contracts like forwards, or we have the options. So there are various kind of derivatives. These derivatives are highly exposed to interest rate risk. Also we have the debt instrument, as we have already talked about the bond. So bond is also exposed to interest rate risk or the reinvestment risk. So the prices of these derivatives or the debt instrument or other financial instrument highly sensitive to the interest rate, market interest rate. So market interest rate we need to determine based on certain criteria, like suppose we suppose which interest rate to consider. We talked about different interest rate in our previous lectures. Then which interest rate to consider to find the fair value of the assets of concern, means the asset that you want to determine the fair value. So for that you need to find the its credit risk, means how much it is exposed to credit risk. And you have also need to determine other characteristics like maturity period and other. So you need to find a similar instrument, which is there, for which the market data is available, and then you will determine the yield of those uh, available securities, and then you can use those yield to maturity to you can use those yield to find the fair value of your asset of concern. Uh, so interest rate plays a central role in valuation of various assets. Interest rate also used in various other industry also, like mineral and mining industry, in which commodity market. So the commodity products are also exposed to interest rate risk. So interest rate is a very important parameter. It's a very important uh, metric to know the for the case of investment banking. So uh, and that is the reason why we need to model interest rate in a we need to model interest rate